If you want to land a role in artificial intelligence today, a traditional computer science degree is no longer the requirement it used to be. Hiring managers are looking right past formal education and searching for tangible, functional projects you can actually demonstrate. But when you decide to learn AI, you immediately hit a wall. You are bombarded with thousands of disconnected courses, complicated roadmaps, and coding boot camps, a paralyzing cycle commonly known as tutorial hell. Sitting back and passively watching hours of video content gives you the illusion of progress. When it comes time to actually write a script or deploy a model, you're left staring at a blank screen, without the practical skills companies actually need. The way out is to stop watching and start building. In a competitive market, a portfolio of functioning applications provides the technical evidence that hiring managers use to verify your skills. This 4-level roadmap categorizes essential AI skills, getting you out of tutorial hell. You start at level 1 with no-code tools to communicate with AI. Then you move up to automate workflows, build enterprise architectures, and finally deploy autonomous agents at the peak. To populate this empty digital portfolio, we are going to look at 10 specific projects you can build right now, regardless of your starting skill level. Completing this exact sequence provides a tangible asset. When you walk into an interview, you can provide a direct link to a functioning system that solves a specific business problem. Your first project is building an AI chatbot. This teaches you how to take a large language model, or LLM, which is the underlying technology that predicts the next word in a sequence, and constrain it with a strict defined persona, like a travel assistant or a coffee shop barista. That brings us to Project 4, Prompt Engineering. This is the practice of designing instructions with highly structured context and clear examples, which directly dictates how reliable and accurate the AI's output will be. This split-screen flow shows the difference clearly. A generic command gives you a weak, static response, but a highly structured prompt forces the model to generate a rich, complex, and highly useful output. You have to master these core communication foundations first. Learning exactly how to talk to these models is the absolute prerequisite before you can attempt to automate complex tasks. Once you can communicate, you can build level 2 projects, starting with an AI news summarizer. This introduces the concept of automated data collection and synthesis. This automation pipeline illustrates the workflow. You pull unstructured data from a live feed, pass it through an AI processor to summarize it, and then automatically route that compressed output right to your email inbox. You can apply this same logic to visual assets by building an image generator. You create an automated pipeline that takes a list of text prompts and systematically turns them into a gallery of finished graphics. By linking these basic interactions together, you stop manually typing queries one by one. You transition from being a manual operator into a systems architect who creates scalable digital labor. Level 3 introduces a RAG pipeline, letting AI securely query private corporate documents. The system breaks text down into a vector database, using numerical coordinates to group related concepts. When asked a question, the AI retrieves only relevant context to generate an accurate answer. You can use this exact document matching logic to build a resume screener. The application evaluates how closely a stack of uploaded resumes matches a specific job description and even suggests areas for improvement. Mastering RAG and these advanced matching algorithms clearly demonstrates you can solve actual data bottlenecks inside a corporate environment. At level 4, you build advanced autonomous systems, like an AI agent. You give the system a central goal, and it autonomously branches out to search the web, analyze findings, and execute the exact steps needed to deliver a final result. Next, you can build a fine-tuned model. Fine-tuning takes an existing AI and trains it further on a custom dataset to improve its accuracy for a specific task. To make these models accessible, you'll build an AI web app. You wrap your complex code in a clean, user-friendly browser interface so non-technical users can interact with your system. Finally, you combine these skills into a voice assistant. This introduces multimodal processing, which is the ability for a system to handle different types of input simultaneously, like converting human speech into text and then generating a spoken response. Constructing these advanced systems takes you from a beginner experimenting with code to a full-stack AI developer, capable of deploying tools that are ready for production. Looking at a list of 10 projects can be overwhelming, so we need to narrow it down. If you want to build immediate enterprise value, filter it down to just 3: RAG pipelines, AI agents, and resume screeners. The methodology matters here. Choose just one of those 3 projects, open your code editor, and build it from start to finish. Do not start another video until you have a working prototype. To get you started, you can download the full step-by-step project guide linked below and begin constructing your portfolio today. The companies hiring today don't care about the certificates you've collected. The tech industry belongs to the portfolio architects.
Thank you. Share and subscribe to Learn AI for more AI insights.